Ready? So, hi, myself Karan and this is Akash. So, we will be teaching you today Mera Wala Dance, a song, Bollywood song from Simha movie. Okay. So, first start with the introduction music. Ready? So, here we go with the count first and then we'll do it on the music. Okay. So, first counting is do the footwork first. That is 1, 2, 3. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 8 plus 4 count front and back. Okay. So it means 4, 4, 4 and 4. So total 3, 4 times. Ready? So here we go. I have to add the hand movements like a swimming hands. Okay. Swimming hands is what? You have to move like a fan, 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 fan. Right? So here we go with the one more thing. What you have to do is you have to start with your right feet first forward and left hand on front. Okay, so right feet forward and left hand front. So ready? 5, 6, 7. Start. 1. So how what 1 should be? Watch me again. 1, 2, 3. Start. 1. Okay, so left hand forward, right leg front. My back leg is on my toe. So go back 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4. Now if you observe my right hand, when my right leg goes back, it comes front from top. Okay, when my right leg goes back, my right hand comes front on top. 1, 2, 3. Again start. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. Last 4. 1, 2, 3 and stop. From here, you want to change the step called Caesar hand. From here, direct 1 and 2. 2 times on your right and left. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Start. Go 1 and 2. You can slightly jump forward, back. So it is forward, back, along with that Caesar hands, or you can say chop hands. 5, 6, 7. Go and 1 and 2. That's it. Only 2 times. Okay, so let's do this on the music. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so now we're gonna go with the next lyrics. Lyrics is what? मेरे इशारे पे तक दिन दिन नाचा तो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया. Okay, cool. So first step is you wanna go say मेरे. How you wanna say? Just pull your t-shirt or shirt. If you are wearing a kurta, you can wear it. So let's just show it. मेरे इशारे पे. You have to just throw your hands in the front. Say it like a yo. Okay. So like मेरे इशारे पे तक दिना दिन नाचा तो. So 3 ankle hit. What I'm telling? 3 ankle hit. Ankle 2, 3 stop. So you have to go 3 ankle hits. 1, 2, 3 start. तक दिना दिन नाचा तो. Okay? You're gonna say what? Twitter पे trend हो गया. So you're gonna take diagonal hands. Okay. Before that. How to do the Twitter pay? Twitter means you have to just little bit sit down and do the tweet on the Google. Say Twitter pay. You have to take your diagonal hand, point it one hand towards your feet and one hand on the towards the sky. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. One more time. So it's like Twitter pay trend ho gaya. Counting is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Cool. Let's do with the music. First step. Okay, so I'll just read one step. music in between the sentence or in between the lyric. There is a music called whistle. Tan ta ta tan ta tan ta tan ta tan ta. So 3 steps. Okay, it's a combination. The music is of 3 combination steps. First step is you're going to go with the simple. Keep your hands on your hair or head. Just have to do pelvic tilt, forward back, forward back, forward back, and along with that hands up and down, up and down. So it's like 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4. Okay, it's simple. Be on your toe, be on your toe, on your toe, on your toe. So it's like right, left, left. Cool? Let's do with the music. So do with the music. Okay, one more time. It's only twice you have to do it. 1 2 3 4, and then 1 2 3 4, and this side first. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Cool? One more time. Watch me. Here we go. It's 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, cool. After this, नासिक के ढोल पे Okay, so then नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो. Okay, so what is the नासिक के ढोल पे? Ready? You have to show the dhol. Okay, how we have to do it? नासिक के ढोल पे. Just shift on your right leg, on your left leg. So नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो. Okay, it's like धन 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 नाचा तो. 5 6 7. Say what? यहाँ पे नासिक के ढोल पे 1 2 3 4. नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो सबका. So you have to point all the audience. What you have to do is point all the audience. सबका till here. Hold the gun. The end हो गया. So what you want to do is just take your hand across one side and then point the gun towards the audience, and you have to hit your pelvic simultaneously and gun shot. So 1 2 3 start. Shot 2 3 4. Cool? Very good. Let's go with the music once. Now combination of both steps. Okay, what is the combination of both steps? First is मेरे इशारे पे तक दिना दिन नाचा तो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया. After that we should do it this music, but now there is no music. It's in the flow. Both sentence continuously it's happening. Once you listen the music, you will get the idea. Okay? Yes, cool. So now after this. So we have to finish the both steps together what you learned already. Then नासिक का ढोल is the second step. One is मेरे इशारे पे, second is नासिक के ढोल पे. Okay. Once you're done with the both, you have to start with the सारी दुनिया में. Okay, just you have to pose. Okay, what is the pose? सारी दुनिया में. You have to hair brush. What you have to do? Hair brush. सारी दुनिया में. From your hands goes up and you on the bicep pose. Okay. एक ही फेमस है. फेमस को you have to pose फेमस है मुंबई हो या फ्रांस, and then one more up, then from here you go drop, pull 2 3 4. Okay, what you have to do from here? A drop, your hands out, pull 2 3 4. दिखा दूं तुझे टाक मेरा वाला डांस 1 2 3 4. So okay, the lyrics is so that's दिखा दूं तुझे मेरा वाला डांस, ये है मेरा वाला डांस. Okay, तो नाचो, it will come. तो नाचो, you have to take the position like go down and hands down, and just you have to just move side. If you can't do the heel toe, so this is the trick. V A, or else if you can't do it, you can go like this also. It's fine, but make sure you go on your heel toe. Either heel toe, or the combination of both. You have to do it. So first you do it heel toe, come back heel toe. This is basic. If you can do this, first keep the V A. What AV I am talking about? The shape of my feet, or you can see my shoes. It's looking like a V. Okay, then it will become A V. Okay, got it? Come on, guys. Once again, we'll do it the AV with the hand movements. 5 6 7. Start. 1 2 3 4, and 5 6 7 8. After this, you're gonna just step forward. A second half of this music. Step, and you have to drop your body on one side. Bend. Okay, you have to balance. A 1, a drop, a 2, a drop, a 3, a up, a 4, up. That's it. Here we end with this choreo. Okay, I hope you got it. If any queries, you can drop a text. म्यूजिक में पूरा माटी देला.